What's going on, guys? It's Maddie and John with Best Price Nutrition. Check out our website at BestPriceNutrition.com. Check us out on Instagram and TikTok at BestPriceNutrition. Today we are going to be trying Bang's new flavor, a whole lot of chocolata. I'm interested.
So at this point, I think we're up to almost 28 Bang flavors.
Yeah.
It might even be 29 or 30 if you consider the Swirly Pop, which was a 7-Eleven exclusive, as well as the Blueberry Nectarine, which was a Vitamin Shop exclusive. So ton of Bang flavors out there. As I'm sure you guys know, 300 milligrams of caffeine, BCAAs, super creatine, CoQ10, Bang energy drinks, incredibly popular.
Yeah.
Probably one of the, if not the most popular energy drinks on the market, although they are starting to get some competition. The Ghosts are really popular. The C4 energy drinks are really popular.
Yeah.
But Bang is really popular kind of due to the amount of new flavors that they roll out, as well as kind of how they tease out new flavors.
Yeah.
The newest one being a whole lot of chocolata. What are you expecting?
I think it's going to be like a carbonated chocolate milk.
You know what's kind of interesting? So there used to be a chocolate soda called Canfield's Fudge Soda. I'm kind of expecting it's going to taste a little bit like that. I've seen some people online saying like a, what we say, Yoplait chocolate mousse.
Oh, yeah.
And it seems like the response from people on the internet has been mixed. Some people are like, this is awesome.
Yeah.
And some people are like, that sounds disgusting.
I know. It's questionable. I don't know how I'll feel about it.
This is kind of the first chocolate energy drink. I know Monster has some like chocolatey things, but it's normally like Java with like kind of a cream base.
Yeah.
This will be the first like carbonated chocolate energy drink. Although Bang has done some kind of creamier flavors in the past with key lime pie, birthday cake bash, and Ray's just recently put out the berries and cream, which is a little bit different.
I want to try that one too.
So we're gonna give this one a try, and then we'll run around the office and see what some other people think as well.
Let's do it. Oof.
I know people always are curious about the color. All of Bang drinks are clear.
Oh, it smells like chocolate. Smells good.
Oh, it does smell good.
It does taste like the Yoplait chocolate mousse. Just carbonated.
It's very understated.
It's kind of weird carbonated, I'm not gonna lie.
I like it. It's a very, very mellow chocolate flavor.
I like it too, but I don't think I can like drink it every day.
It's almost got kind of like a cream soda thing going on.
Yeah. It's like a delayed chocolate taste.
We know there's. Do you ever watch Caffeine Man?
No.
So there's a guy named Caffeine Man. He reviews all different energy drinks and caffeine products. And the way he rates Bangs, he does like level of sweetness, strength of the flavor. So like how strong of a flavor is it, and carbonation level.
Okay, it's not very sweet.
So not very sweet at all.
No.
So I would say like maybe a 6 on the sweetness level.
Yeah.
In terms of strength of the flavor, this one is very understated.
Yeah,
I would say
it's
like
tame.
a 4 or 5.
Yeah, it's very low.
And then he rates the level of carbonation. So we'll say some are super carbonated, some are not so carbonated.
Yeah, it's not very carbonated. It's carbonated like enough, but it's not like the Swirly Pop was more carbonated.
Yeah, it's like a medium carbonation.
Yeah. It's not bad.
You know what would be interesting? I think we were all kind of talking about this the other day. With some of these drinks, the flavor is actually stronger if it's not quite as cold. This one's ice cold, just came out of the freezer. It's like with we talked about with craft beer.
Yeah.
You actually don't want like an ice cold beer. You want it at like 42, 44 degrees. So I wonder if this were a little bit warmer, if that chocolate flavor might come out a little bit more.
Maybe. Pretty good.
I like it. It's interesting.
Yeah, it's not bad. Shall we go around the office?
We shall. You know, it
take
kind
a
of
trip.
reminds me of birthday cake bash. That was also kind of like an understated flavor.
Yeah, Jordan really likes that one. Let's go. Hey. Want some?
Oh, is it chocolate? Yes. Oh no, it's clear. I was just not expecting that. That's good.
You like it?
I like that.
Now we were talking. You ever watch Caffeine Man?
No, I have not.
He rates bangs on level of sweetness,
Okay.
how strong the flavor is, and the carbonation level. So give a 1 through 10 score for each one.
Okay, so carbonation, probably like a 6. Wasn't crazy carbonated. Flavor?
It's kind of an understated flavor.
Yeah, like it wasn't like super like heavy chocolate. Let me try a little. One, it doesn't even smell like chocolate. It does taste a little bit like chocolate.
I think it smells like chocolate.
Do you?
Yeah.
Maybe I'm just thinking of like a Hershey's bar or something. Like super strong chocolate. Flavor, I'd give it a 7. Carbonation, like a 6. What was the last category?
Sweetness.
Sweetness. Ooh. Probably like a 6. It wasn't overly very
It's
sweet.
kind of exactly what we said.
Yeah, it wasn't like overly super sweet. Overall, good one. I mean,
Would you buy another one?
I would buy another one.
Okay.
Yeah, I do like the unique flavors that Bang does. The chocolate, the birthday cake, obviously is.
I said this was kind of like birthday cake. It wasn't like an over-the-top level of sweetness or flavor. Just kind of like an essence of it.
Yeah, no, good flavor. Good job, Bang.
Okay, so Jordan's a fan. Lexi.
Try it. Whole lot of chocolate. Chocolata. Bang.
That's good.
You like it?
I like that a lot.
Okay, now give us a ranking.
What do you guys?
1 through 10, level of sweetness, how strong the flavor is, and carbonation level.
I had like a protein shake.
Sweetness. Probably like a 9.
Really?
Really?
I didn't think it was that sweet.
What was the other one?
Level of carbonation,
10.
how strong is the flavor?
10.
Really? You're way off from everything we said.
Yeah. You're crazy.
You can just like
Have you tried other bangs?
not a lot.
No? You know, you
Very
gotta try,
few.
you have to try like a rainbow unicorn and then try this.
I haven't tried like the good flavors, like the super popular ones. I think I've only just tried like a couple of the new ones, but I like this a lot.
I'll have to get you a rainbow unicorn to try.
Let's go to yeah. Here you go, sir.
This is chocolate.
Yep.
I did not expect that.
Clear.
No, that's actually pretty good.
We're
A lot better
doing
than I expected.
we're doing a Caffeine Man ranking system. So 1 through 10 score on level of sweetness, strength of flavor, and carbonation level.
Say carbonation is maybe a 7 or an 8.
Okay.
It's not very sweet. Maybe a 5.
Okay.
What's the other one?
The strength of the flavor.
Let's see, if I didn't know this was chocolate. Maybe like a 4 or 5. I can't even really.
Okay. Would you buy another one?
Yeah. I wouldn't buy a case.
No.
You wanna try it?
Good. Yeah. Videotape me?
Yeah.
Which one's this one? The chocolate?
Whole lot of chocolata.
Okay, not bad. What's this one?
It's
Same
the
thing? Oh.
Yep.
Okay, 3 rankings. Level of sweetness, strength of flavor, carbonation level, 1 through 10.
Okay, what's the sweetness level?
Like a 5.
Strength of flavor,
Honestly, a 4,
carbonation level.
6.
Would you buy another one?
On this one, no.
You're the only one that likes it.
Amber.
Your turn.
Expect me to be brown. Not that bad.
It's a better face than the smelling salts.
Yeah.
What are my rankings?
Level of sweetness, 1 through 10.
7.
Strength of the flavor, 1 through 10.
10.
Really?
Yeah. It was like as soon as I drank it, it was like chocolate. Like there's no doubt.
Carbonation level.
3.
Would you buy another one?
No.
Alright, last but not least, let's go to MoSwag.
What's up, Roman?
Yeah, I do.
What we got now? Some new bang?
Chocolate bang.
Chocolate?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Is it good?
Okay.
Y'all give it a try, see what you think.
I gotta see his face.
You gotta get chocolate.
Nope.
No, I'm good.
Caffeine Man ranking system, 1 through 10. How strong is the flavor?
It tastes like a warm, like chocolate pie. I don't know. How am I supposed to rate that?
Your music's gonna get me demonetized too. Level of carbon.
Oh, yeah, you gotta do that.
It's okay. Level of carbonation.
It was good. Like the carbonate was fine. It's just I'm not no chocolate. No chocolate.
Strength of the flavor.
Good. On a scale of 1 to 10.
Yeah.
I give about an 8.
Would you buy another one?
No.
No. Like you said, we're all